A misrepresentation case with a poll body, a cancellation of citizenship complaint by the Office of the Solicitor General, a grave misconduct, serious dishonesty, and gross neglect of duty charged by the Ombudsman, and a host of other cases by the lower and appellate courts are the pending petitions against dismissed Banban Mayor Alice Guo, plus the latest human trafficking charge from the DOJ summed up in this report from Luisa Erispe.
The Department of Justice confirmed that the qualified human trafficking case against Alice Guo and others is already filed before a court of law in the Philippines. But instead of Capiz-Tarlac Regional Trial Court, the case was filed in Pasig City. According to DOJ, this is pursuant to an administrative order released by the Supreme Court that all POGO cases in Capiz-Tarlac will be handled by an appropriate court in National Capital Region.
The case against Alice Guo, including Dennis Cunanan, who is a former Technology and Livelihood Resource Center Deputy Director General, and Representative Zunyu One Technology, as well as 12 executives and founders of the three companies and Guo's alleged business partners, has been filed in the Regional Trial Court of Pasig City. Initially po, ifa-file na sana dahil yung jurisdiction po talaga ng kaso, dahil doon naganap yung krimen, ay nasa Capiz-Tarlac. However, dahil po sa linabas na administrative circular ng Supreme Court, nailipat ho natin sa Pasig City. And all relevant and relative cases to those filed are also going to be filed now in Pasig City Regional Trial Court.
Due to this, there is no more case of Alice Guo that will be handled by courts in Tarlac because, as earlier confirmed by authorities, the graft and corruption case filed by the Ombudsman was also transferred to NCR, particularly in a court in Valenzuela City. But since this case is bailable, Guo's camp will be availing all options to let the dismissed mayor be free after her hearings from the Senate.
Kaya nga umakyat nga kami sa Supreme Court, di ba? Para nga malis na yung mga contempt na yan. Kasi sa ngayon kasi, pag nag-post ka ng bill, nakakulong pa rin naman siya eh.
However, the DOJ insists Guo won't have her liberty back just yet because her case in Pasig is non-bailable and she will remain in custody even after the Senate concludes its proceedings.
Yung mga cases po na ito ay non-bailable, which is why as soon as the warrants of arrest are out from the Pasig Trial Court, then we can expect to take custody of Ms. Alice Guo despite or if ever she is released already from Senate and if ever she does decide na mag-bail siya doon sa Capiz-Tarlac, doon sa isang kaso niya.
Meanwhile, aside from Guo's cases, the DOJ is also focusing to implement the order of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to ban POGOs in the country. Officials of different departments met at the DOJ office today, including the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission. The PAOC said it still awaits the President's order but vowed to implement it ASAP.
We're just waiting for the executive order na manggagaling sa Malacanang. Siguro by next week nakalabas na po yung executive order. Malalaman natin kung ano yung mga pasok doon sa banning. Ano yung mga POGO-associated companies or POGO-associated businesses na kasama doon sa banning.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.